Hello everybody, how about another vintage flashlight? This time I have a little Lumilite K-1AAA keychain flashlight. I've had this since my early teens maybe, so that puts me at 90, 91 maybe. It was a stocking stuffer. It operates off of one AAA cell battery. Has the wrong bulb in it right now. It's got a 222 bulb in it, but in reality it needs a 112 bulb, which is a 1.2 volt bulb, because it's running on one single cell battery. Simple to operate. Just screw down the cap here and it comes on. You can see it's not real bright at this time because of the wrong bulb, but it does work. Pretty easy to disassemble. The bulb comes out of the reflector. There's the little socket. You have to take a small screwdriver to push the bulb out, because that's a pretty small hole there. But I will be showing that when I swap the bulb out for the correct 112 bulb. There's the negative terminal, which all this does, when this screws down, it tightens down until that makes contact with that conductive material there. There's no really switch. It's just unscrews that a little bit, screw it in till it bottoms out, and then just back it off a little bit, it'll turn off. Let's take a look at it in the dark. Turn it on now. It lights up. Puts a little light on the table. It would be better than nothing. You'd be able to see a lock or something if you had this on your keychain. It provides enough to be able to see where to put the key in the lock. But I think when it's got the right bulb in it, it will be a pretty usable flashlight. So once again, this is the Lumilite K-1AAA keychain flashlight. Thank you for watching.